Meaning of Jaffa.
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 Jaffa. The word Jaffa has several meanings and can refer to different things depending on the context. In some contexts, Jaffa refers to a city in Israel that has a rich history spanning over several millennia. Jaffa is situated on the Mediterranean coast and is famous for its port, oranges, and historic architecture. In other contexts, Jaffa refers to a type of orange that originated in the city of Jaffa. Jaffa oranges are known for their sweet taste and thin peel, which makes them easy to peel. Finally, Jaffa may also refer to a fictional race of alien characters in the science fiction television series Stargate SG-1. The Jaffa are a humanoid species that serve as the soldiers and slaves of the Goa'uld, a parasitic alien race.